The Clearwater Dixi, yes, the most powerful and top of the line system from the Clearwater. Of course, we're going to talk about the bike that this works and this is built for perfectly, the 1250 GSA and the Clearwater Dixi. The light, the name as it suggests, Dix or Dix, D-E-E-C-E, Dix in French, actually means 10. As you can see, the light by itself uses 10 high-powered Cree LED systems. Now, how the Dixi works is, I'm sure all of you guys have seen the Darla, which is the small 3 LED system light that they have. And they also have something called as the Savina, the 7 LED powerful spot system that they have. Now, they have integrated both of them into one 5.3 inch diameter, absolutely superbly machined system. Now, how it works is at the lower setting, which is on the bike's low beam, we have a fully controllable Darla. Actually, the light inside this, which is the 3 LEDs inside, is actually more powerful than the actual Darla. Again, technically speaking, they are using the Krista's circuit on the Darla, which is why it is more powerful. But going back to the system, in low beam setting of the 1250 GSA and the GS, the Clearwater center portion of the Dixi functions with a fully customizable dimmable control. From all the way to 10 to 100%, you have the option. The outer 7 LEDs are actually designed for an 8-degree spot, and that is basically the Savina system that's sitting there. So now you can see the center is actually a Darla with a little more power, and the outer line is the Savina with a hyper spot beam. So you have Darla giving you the driving combo, and you have the Savina working the spot as well. How this makes a difference? You're looking at one unit. This one guy giving about 10,000, 10 to 11,000 output per compact unit. So that's a total of about 20,000 plus lumens of light, which is insanely powerful. When you look at what the 1250 GSA can actually cruise on, even if you're on cruise control, you're on a highway, you're at 130, 140. This guy will give you enough confidence to maintain that speed, even it be in the darkest of night or the worst of the back roads, the backcountry roads. You have 100% confidence. Now, there are a few pullbacks to this as well. If you are a 1250 GSA, that's a factory lowered bike, you cannot install this. As you can see, the light bar is what functions as the most apt setup for this. The X156 kit is what it is called on the website. On our listing, X156 is the part number that you look for this. Usually works on the standard GSA. Now, when you look at the lower GSA, there is a chance of this touching the front fender, which is why they suggest move it to the crash bar with a crash bar clamp. Also, on the GS, if you need this, you will have to use the crash bar clamp. Of course, on the GS, because of the bar that's connecting under the beak, you have an option to connect this as well. And of course, before I do forget, let me also mention that the Clearwater kit pricing that you see on our websites, if you are to select the BMW options, which again in the description is mentioned, each component, the final pricing includes the can opener system, which is to integrate with the OEM Wonder Wheel. And it comes with the set of accessories, which includes your light bar or your clamps, depending on what you choose, as per the description. The set of lights, all the harness that is required, and the can opener kit. Across the GS and the GSAs, yes, Dixi has set a new benchmark in lighting. This is one of the best that you can look at. Stay tuned, I'm Srijith. I will have a lot more input in terms of lights throughout the next few videos. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. You have any questions? Ping is out right here, Instagram us, or you can even call us on our toll-free number. We'll be more than happy to help you and kit up your motorcycle with the right set of accessories. Thank you very much, and that's Bikenbiker.